Watching TV, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Clean your room, okay papa. Whoa! Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Watching TV, yes papa. Look at the clock, it's late papa. Let's go to bed, yes papa. Okay. Good night. Welcome to Toy Monster Orchard. Today, Toy Monster friends come to the orchard. The orchard has a lot of delicious fruits. Today, shall we look at what fruits are in the orchard? Each fruit has